Hello everybody, hope you guys are having fun because we are. Surveying my trusty mains meter mains transformer out there. Gosh, I love those things, the way they operate, and when you really understand what they do, they're just amazing. Thank you for the poles and wires guys that keep our electricity running. So anyway, like I was explaining to you, I got a flat roof up here, and years ago I covered it and put a rail around it as a sun deck, and it works out pretty good, and have a place that we can stay right here on the roof and walk around and do stuff, and we can look at the sun. We were up here the last eclipse looking at the sun and doing stuff, and isn't that beautiful? Still winter here. And so all that going on, but anyway, again, that line gets too close to the roof and it's not really in code, and nobody said anything, but that's got to be fixed. And you can see the gate to keep the animals from getting on top of the roof, and not that I would expect too much harm that could happen, but I wouldn't want a dog biting into a 220 line with lots of potential. So my mast, the mast is what holds the wire up above the roof, has got to be redone, and it's got to be up high enough to handle it. It's just attached right here on the side of the house. Okay. Been this way for a long time. It was this way before I was here, and it's something that needs to be fixed and addressed, and getting ready to address it while I'm doing all my upgrades. So that's the reason I'm going ahead and doing this, and here we go. Again, hope you guys are having fun. We'll see you next trip.